down here where our cold crops were, and I'm getting ready to plow this with the Jubilee, and we're going to put some watermelons in here. Half this area is going to be watermelons, the other half is going to be pumpkins. We got more pumpkins to go in here. We have our other pumpkin field up there, so the rest half of this is going to be pumpkins. So, but I got my Jubilee down here, and I got my old plow. This plow is a single plow. It's probably 29 years old, and I don't even know if this thing's going to pull it, and that's one of the reasons I'm going to do this. Normally I would just till this, and then we're going to put fabric over this and plant. I still got my bush hog on my John Deere, and I still got some more bush hogging to do up in here and kind of around the barn, and it's going to be at like 99 next week, so that'd give me kind of something to do. I don't have to worry about overheating. We've been working hard. It's about 7:30 now. We've been going since 7 this morning, trying to get everything done that we wanted to get done before it gets too hot. But anyway, so I'm gonna try this thing out. So that's one reason I'm plowing this. Well, one reason, because my tiller's not on the tractor. Another reason is I just want to see if this will do it. And another reason is I just like driving this tractor. So if we get this plowed today, till this evening, and then I don't know if we get everything done tonight, but we still got to go pick some beans, and I think we're going to try to put an air conditioner in the farmstead. We might go to show you that. So I'm going to get this thing fired up, see if we can plow a couple furrows down here. I need to plow about 13 feet wide or so, and probably in the next video I'll get to cutting hard. We'll smooth it down and put that stuff on the plant. Also waiting on a new standing plant. We bought us a new standing plant. It's supposed to be here in a couple of days. So see if this thing will fire up, and we'll see how it does. I think it did all right. I've watched, I don't know how many times I've watched that little sales movie they used to have back in the 50s from Ford, and they used a double plow, but I don't know if it's quite this big. I think this is a 16-inch, but I wasn't going all the way down. I basically just wanted to turn it over just a little bit. There's a lot of crop residue, yeah, I guess residue down that lower end. I kind of want to turn it over a little bit, so I'm gonna let that set. I was gonna do it all tonight, but I'm gonna let it set, and then I'm gonna run the cutting whore over that, and that'll probably be the next video. But I think this did all right. Never felt it lugging or bogging down or anything like that, and so I'm satisfied with this tractor. I really like it. All right, let's go. You want to pick some tomatoes? Let's go pick some tomatoes, and we'll go up there and put that air conditioner in. It's about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and this is a second basket today. This is a yellow, well, those mountain yellow ones. The red deuces are probably the best ones I think so far, so they're starting to come in really good. See, that one's starting to. And we pick them right when they start to turn, that way you ain't got to spray. And they still taste just as good. Some people say you're supposed to leave them on there till they turn completely red. You don't have to. As soon as they start to break, and that's just start to turn red, you can pick that. And we've got a place up on our porch, our screened-in porch, where we set them all out, and they'll ripen in a few days, and they're just as good as if you'd let them on there, you know, till they got ripe. But the danger of that is rabbit come in there, take one bite out of it, or a worm get in there, and they'll do it every time. I don't know how many we've lost like that. Lost a couple this year already, so we started picking a little early, and it seems to work out for us. So let's go around and pick a few beans. I want to show you these beans, the best beans we've ever grown. These are Blue Lake, and look at this. Look how easy it is to pick too. I mean, them things are plump and good size. Look at that. That's just in one hand. I'll reach in there and grab at it. That's why we like them, because they're easy to pick and no strings. So you can see that. And Mama said they are delicious. So Mama approves them. I'm talking about my mama, not the boss here. And I gave her a mess the other day, and she said it was really good. So she used like half white runners, and I got some half white runners right behind us. We might pick those tomorrow, but I like these a lot better than half white runners. They're easier to grow, they're easier to pick, and they're easier to cook. All right, we'll get picking, and we're gonna get about 2 gallons tonight, and then we'll go work on that air. Down here in the farm stand now, and we decided we're gonna try a window air conditioner in here. We got this from Home Depot. I think it was $169. We're gonna take this fan out. It's just not doing the job. I might mount it over in the corner or something. I don't know exactly yet, but we're definitely gonna put that in there. One thing, we want it because it gets hot in there and our bread melt, or don't melt, but it condensates, don't it? Mm-hmm. And it kind of makes it soggy, so we're gonna have some cool air. And our berries and stuff that we put over here, hopefully it's all keep it. Well, of course we have to keep the door open, but we're gonna try it and see if it'll work. All right, so I'm gonna take this out, and we're gonna see if we can get this installed, and I'll come back and I'll show you when we plug it up and everything and see if it works. Hope it does. We got it installed, and wasn't that hard. It's a little different, and I was kind of worried about people coming up and pushing that window and pulling that back and getting in here, but there's a little bracket we put in here comes with, stops the window from being open, and this is screwed down to the sill plate, window sill, and it's already cooling this down. Mm-hmm. It's on low and economy mode, and it's really not even loud, so I kind of like this. So it'd be nice. We're talking about maybe getting a new door a regular door with a window. That way we can put open, close, people can look in here. What we do now, we just open the door and people know that it's open. So, all right, another job done. Yeah, it was hot in here when we first came in here.
Feels good now.
It feels good in here now. I can sleep down here tonight. We're gonna start sleeping down here, be cooler. Next week when it's 100, we'll turn that down to 65 and shut that door. We'll sleep in here. But we put an insulation on the roof, so that helps a lot. And also there's an air space. So I read where if you put this 1-inch insulation with an air space, you get like a pretty good RVA, and I can't remember exactly what it is right off the top of my head now. It was enough where I did it. And the sides, of course, has no insulation. So we're gonna try this, and hopefully at least it'll keep this part cool during the day. And hopefully our braids will sell out quick. We won't have to worry about it. All right, another job done. We've done a lot today. We did some plowing, picked some tomatoes, picked some green beans, installed a window unit, and that's just in the after supper. If y'all knew what we did before then, you'd say, my goodness. All right, so we're gonna end the video here. Appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to follow us along. Hit that subscribe button, you'll get notified every time we post a new video. And we do a live every Monday night at 7:30. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the next video.